packed so much stuff I can't fit my headphones in there. Sarah.
No! Hi, welcome to episode 1 of Breaking Backpacks.
We are going to go to the NEC on Saturday. What day is it?
Thursday?
Yes. Wait, let's turn you round. So, what we're going to be doing, we're going to mainly focus a video on the cars, but we've decided that we're going to do some other stuff as well. Since it's Thursday and our train leaves to the NEC on Saturday morning, we thought we could do a bit of prep, didn't we, Sarah?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we're gonna get some like interesting foods that we haven't tried before, and we're gonna do that on the train on the way there because it's about an hour's train ride. And right now, the plan is Weatherspoons. We are at the Spoons. We don't know what we're gonna have.
Are you actually recording?
Next stop, Sarah. The snacky snack shop. What are we choosing? Sarah and I have found something very cool. Take a look at the jumper. Oh yes. Anyway, we had to like turn around and walk all the way back down the road because we found this. It's pretty cool. It's got the intake eyes. We're having a dance in Tesco. So we've just found two that Sarah loves. We've just been to Tesco and we have got some extra snacks just for like tonight and tomorrow morning. But our weird snacks we were talking about that we hadn't tried before, we got yesterday at some corner shop. So I'm going to give each one to Sarah to showcase. I'll give her the best one first, I think.
Okay. So this is a flash poop pop, and you can press the button and it lights up red.
But what actually is it? What is the edible bit?
It's a watermelon lollipop.
Right.
Somehow.
Okay. Alright, what else have we got? Let me pass you the next item.
Okay.
The next mystery item.
So this is a paint splash.
I love how you put your hand behind it like it's like makeup. Go on then, talk us through it. What have we got?
It's a blue, raspberry and green apple thing.
So what is it?
I'm guessing this is a lolly.
Yeah.
It's got a little stick.
It looks like a toilet. Yeah?
Yeah, that's what I thought. And then I'm guessing you open this up and it's got something in it. Yeah, fruit flavour lollipop with sherbet dip.
When it says sherbet dip, does that mean it's like the powder stuff? Because it says splash, so is it going to be like a gooey stuff? What? We don't know, this is why we got this stuff.
We'll see tomorrow.
So I'll hand you the next item.
Okay.
So it's like fake, what's it, like fake toxic waste?
Yeah.
But because it wasn't real toxic waste, we just like, yeah, I get it. But also, it'd just be fun to like do something sour as well. What if you just realised?
It says plus tattoo.
Plus tattoo, oh my god, we lucked out with this one. Okay, wait. Okay, right, on to the last item. The last mystery item for our train ride to Birmingham. Ready?
Okay. So, some bubble tea thing.
It is like a bubble tea. I've had bubble tea before and she hasn't.
Why is it in a can?
I don't know. This is what I'm interested in. I want to know what it is, but it says shake, so I'm guessing it is just like the normal standard procedure stuff. But yeah, so these are the snacks we got. We've also just been to Tesco and we got a load of like these like mini drink things to try them out because we haven't tried some of them before. She got some appetizer and I got some lemon Coke stuff that really isn't that nice, probably because we've been walking around with it in our hands and it's really warm, so I think I might leave it there for a bit, just let it cool down. But yeah, so
I'm still also pretty happy with my Hot Wheels.
oh yeah, show us your Hot Wheels, show us your Hot Wheels. I forgot about those. Right, okay, talk us through it.
So
we've got like a track ready MX-5. We didn't even go in there. We didn't really go in here for anything really, did we? We had snacks. We just came here for a mooch.
this is
So we got
a success.
Yeah, I know. We got like a track ready MX-5, but obviously it's not a road league MX-5, so you're going to need something to tow it to the racetrack.
Yeah.
So we got the T4 flatbed truck thing, which I think will just look so cool with the MX-5. But oh my god, we didn't really go in there for anything, and we've come out with a bit of a gold mine, I think.
Very much successful.
Very much successful indeed. This thing's just pulled up. like a Honda Integra sort of thing. I don't know if it's the Type R or not, but it looks like an import, so that's pretty cool, isn't it? We're actually going to head back into Tesco in a sec for a couple more snacks for tonight, because we're like hungry as hell, aren't we? We're having troubles with the poop. Right. Oh, wait. Oh. There we go.
Whoa, that's watermelon.
Troubles opening this one now.
There's a hole there.
Yeah. Bent. Oh dear. Uh-oh. Got a broken nail. So it said there was a tattoo in there as well. Cheers.
More wrapping. Oh no.
It's meant to be like a paintbrush.
Apple flavoured.
Now we're sick flavoured. So we're here now. We had a bit of an issue with the old toilets, didn't we, Sarah? Do you want to tell them?
Couldn't find them.
Essentially, yeah, there's signs pointing to them, and then there were no toilets.
Yeah.
So we had to go on some random platform and ask where the toilets were. And now we're waiting under this big bull because we're getting picked up to go to the NEC on another train. Oh, next train. We are in the NEC, and look. MX5 Owners Club, Sarah. Yeah. You having a good time? That 944. That Quattro as well. They're so cool, aren't they? These. I swear you like these. Look how small it is though, it's like that big. They're definitely very Mustang-esque.
Isn't it? Mustang car.
Yeah. Gumball 3000. Is it a replica? That's nice, isn't it? Is it the V10 diesel? I love these. Sarah, this has got the V10, but it's also diesel. Sounds like a tractor, but it's a V10. Renault have on time, Sarah? Opinions?
Yes.
We're going to keep wandering around. We're in the barn find section. My car. We got to fix ours, haven't we?
Yeah.
Here's a whole floor pan, and you can see the inboard brake discs there, and the sideways shocks. That's cool. Yeah, how neat. 6-cylinder. How cool's that? It's like that Renault thing. That's the Renault Kangoos with the weird bonnets that I hated. You know when I said I serviced a Renault Kangoo with the bonnet open the wrong way and I hated it?
Yeah.
There's no need.
No, there is no need.
It just... This is so cool, look. They got like the whole body removed. There's a floor pan there of a 2CV. Old Celica's. We have family MR2s. Look, made the year I was born, that one.
Wow.
And it's probably my favourite generation of MR2. Although this one's very good looking. These are 3 generations. Go on, which one's your favourite? This one. I think this one came in a supercharger, if this is the one I'm thinking of. These I think came with superchargers, you could get them supercharged. I like that one. Sarah likes this one. Is that how you filled it up? That goes into the fuel tank. Look, take the bonnet completely off, look, with the clips. Yeah. So they had a touring car of this. I think I've shown you videos of the touring car. Of the 850. It's just this, everything's got massive aero and then it's just this brick just dominating. It's a complete brick. Look at that, that's so nice, isn't it? I love these, and they're quick. Like, get like a top box on it. T5. So were these ones the 5 cylinders? Yeah. It's like, I think it's like one of the best looking cars ever in the world ever. Look at this. P1800 Volvo. That's a 428. 928. I see a Fiat Panda over there. Hey! Fiat Pandas. Oh yes. Now we're talking. An old Panda 4x4. So me and Sarah have just found Richard Hammond.
Casually.
Yeah. We didn't really know he was going to be here today. He's been here before, but we're hoping to see Oliver soon.
Yeah.
And if you know anything about like Top Gear or anything, you should know who Oliver is.
Yeah.
Fingers crossed. This is so cool. So we've just found Richard Hammond.
So we are looking for people who would like to join that across the whole narrative series. Across the board, mechanical, technical, foundation,
me and Sarah found Oliver. Float! Float! Oliver!
Did you notice that?
We saw Hammond.
We do.
And the tri-spoke alloys, everything. How cool is this? Ford Racing Pumas. This actually is probably one of like my all-time favourites, especially in that colour as well. I want one in that colour. So this MG comes with the Mustang V8, and then you could get it optioned with the optional NOS package, which gave it 1,000 brake for however much nitrous oxide you have. There we go. It is. Found the Panda section, 4x4, Cinquecento. Just had a drink, and we have found a cream egg car, because why not? There's some cheerleaders doing some weird practice.
Yeah, it's weird.
It is weird.
Yeah.
No shot.
Did you find when there were pots that they weren't horsemen and they just set?
Found loads. Did you shake it?
No.
Oh, it's been shaking all day, hasn't it? Go on, give it a go. Good? Did you get the balls?
No.
A bit sweet.
Yeah.
It's not bad. Is there not balls in there? Oh, hello.
Hello, welcome to Handcam because we're both ill. It is now the next day, Sunday, so thought I'd show you the things we got yesterday. Starting with this pen. Have a look at this. Clicks and everything. It's fantabulous air freshener.
Bangers and gosh.
Yeah. And also, I also got an ML2. Look how cool that is. Yes. And also, the most exciting bit, I got MX5 keychain and a cap.
Because it says Owners Club, you have to get an MX5 now as well.
Yes, that is the rules. So yeah, that's what we got.